And this here is a very small package. This is the women's, it's a women's underwear product. It is a hot, sexy G-string thong with zipper. Basically a one-size product. There's not multiple sizes of it. And if I can figure this out here, it looks like this is what goes around the waist. So obviously this goes around the back, and then this would be what zips up the front. Whoop, actually I had it inside out. There we go. I have to wonder if it's even necessary to zip this or not. You know, I mean, I doubt it would be. You could probably put it on without ever having to unzip it and then zip it back up, so that might help out a little bit as far as like accidentally zipping something up inside of it. You know, but we'll have more comment on that soon. It's not very wide, right there, but let's see. You know, we're completely zipped. We're about 11 inches there, so about 22 inches wide. Of course, it'll stretch though, and so you've got it going up to like 16. So 32 inch waist. This could fit, and that was actually a comfortable stretch. I mean, I could have put a lot more stretch into it, which I absolutely didn't do. The zipper is metal. It is not a plastic zipper. These are metal teeth, and it is pretty strong. Same thing with these loops here. This even stretches too as well. So I think you know, provided you get it stretched in the right places, or you know, put it on the way that's most comfortable for you, then you'll probably be able to make it fit. So that's really it. It's pretty simple. Can't say too much more. Any questions, comments though, ask. Get to them as soon as we can. And thanks for watching.